Hey there, it's great to have you here on my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, wellness warrior, business strategist, and the mother of 6. Today I'm going to talk about an essential oil topic that you'll definitely enjoy, and that's doTERRA essential oils. In this video, I'm going to cover some essential oil basics, how to use doTERRA essential oils, their benefits, and some essential oil blends that you can try. Stay with me because I will also give you some of my favorite essential oil blend recipes. What are essential oils? Essential oils are highly concentrated extracts that are obtained through steam distillation or cold pressing. They contain the natural fragrance and chemical constituents of the plant from which they were derived. So how to use doTERRA essential oils? One of the greatest things about doTERRA essential oils is their versatility. There are many ways you can use them, including aromatically, topically, and internally. Aromatic use. You can use a diffuser to disperse the oils into the air, which helps to purify the air, creating a calming atmosphere. Who doesn't want that? You can also add a drop or two to your palms and then rub them together and then inhale deeply. You can also use them topically. So applying them topically, I always recommend that you dilute with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, and then you just apply them to your skin. Internally, doTERRA essential oils can also be used by adding them to your food or beverages. And some of the benefits of doTERRA essential oils include supporting emotional and physical well-being, boosting your immune system, supporting healthy digestion, helping to promote clear breathing and healthy respiratory function, supporting a restful night's sleep, sore muscles and joints, and promoting healthy looking skin. Essential oil blends that you might want to try. Now, let's explore some essential oil blends that are amazing. So the first one is our immune support blend. So you're going to mix together 2 drops of doTERRA On Guard, 1 drop of doTERRA Lemon, and then 1 drop of doTERRA Melaleuca or tea tree oil. The relaxation blend is a mixture of lavender, 1 drop, 2 drops of doTERRA Serenity, and then 1 drop of doTERRA Frankincense. If you need an energy boosting blend, this is amazing. Peppermint, 1 drop, 2 drops of doTERRA Wild Orange, and then 2 drops of doTERRA Lemon. That's it for today's video on doTERRA essential oil education, and I hope you found this video informative and that it's been kept super simple, that you now have a better understanding of the basics of essential oils and the benefits of using doTERRA essential oils. Try out some of the essential oil blends that I discussed in this video. Subscribe to my channel for more essential oil educational content, and then also grab my free essential oils guidebook below.